Guys, you know old Hussey loves some crack slaw. I've made a few different variations. I've done some sandwiches with that crack name as well. It's all good groceries. Today, we're gonna make it into the dumpling edition. Yes, crack slaw with dumplings. We're not making the dumplings, we're just adding dumplings to it. Let's get started. To get things started with our crack slaw, we're gonna start off with some green onions. And these green onions, they are, well, a little frozen. But that'll be all right, I think. I think it'll be all right. I like using the whites for my crack slaw. They were in the fridge, up against the back. They froze a little bit. Save these folks for the greenery. Now, what I like to do is, don't do any chopping. We're just using just a bag of coleslaw mix. Now, we're gonna make a little bit of sauce. This will be for our crack slaw. To this, we're gonna add some soy sauce. Yeah, it's coming out really slow. We'll do about a half a cup. This is oyster sauce. Good tablespoon of oyster sauce. Just gives some funkiness. A little bit of rice wine vinegar, a little bit of tang, and I'm gonna add some sugar. Just kind of sweet. Last but not least, a little bit of MSG, a little bit of chicken dust. We're all set that to the side. Let's give it a try though. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good sauce. I'm actually gonna add just a little bit more soy sauce. I like to be saucy. Now, I thought it'd be great to make a little bit of a yum yum sauce. A little bit of mayonnaise, probably about a quarter cup mayonnaise. We're gonna squirt a little bit of ketchup. Now, if you really wanted to do this right, do it the night before. It's actually a lot better. Garlic powder, onion powder, going with some paprika, a little bit of sugar, and we're gonna cut this with some half and half. Heavy whipping cream works really good as well. I'm gonna take our spoon, give that a good mix. I'll go ahead and tell you, a little bit more half and half will be great. Now, come over here. This right here is the special ingredient to my yum yum sauce, melted butter. There we go. Perfect. Give that a mixy. Love, love, love a good yum yum sauce. All right. Give us a try. That's pretty good. Personally, I think it could add a little bit of salt here, guys. You could actually use a little bit of tang, rice wine vinegar, and there you have it. That is our yum yum sauce. Yep. Also known as shrimp sauce. All right, I have our yum yum sauce and I have our stir fry sauce. It is ready. I did remember one thing. I've been able to find this chili garlic sauce now. We're gonna put a little bit of that into our sauce. Oh, I love this stuff. It's so good. There we go. Give that old mixy. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good sauce. Let's go. We're gonna head over to the griddle. We're gonna get this stuff down. Let's go. All right, first things first, we're gonna get some avocado oil down. If you wanna do solidified just like mine, go right ahead, but it's cold out. It's actually snowing right now. I got one package of these frozen wontons, mini wontons. Also, our bagged cabbage. Bam. Y'all remember those whites of the onions? We'll put those right into our cabbage. These wontons probably need a little bit of help. And I'm gonna let them. I'm gonna give them a little help. I'll take a little bit of water and use my dome. I'm just gonna steam those for a little bit. So I've been seeing these little rice packages here. I don't have day-old rice like I typically like. I got 2 containers of it. Let's see. Got one, got another one. Boom. That's pretty much a brick. There we go. We'll just kind of chop it up a little bit. There we go. It's kind of dry. Might need a little bit of water, maybe. Add just a smidgen of water. Just to steam everything up. All right, that seems to help out a lot. There we go. You don't want to get at this thing like it owes you a lot of money, just like a little bit of money. Now, if you wanted to put an egg in this too, like almost like a fried rice, right now would probably be a really good time to go ahead and add your egg. I am not going to do that. We have our rice. We have our salad. Not salad, this is cabbage. Our dumplings, let's see where they're at. They just really need to be heated through. Oh yeah. Want to cut the temperature up on these because I'm pretty sure they're close to being done. Take my Instant read. Yeah, they still got just a little bit of give to them. Over here, our vegetables, our rice. Just gonna toss it together. These clumps of rice. Oh man. We add these dumplings. It's gonna be fantastic. If you see that you want a little bit more cabbage, put a little bit more cabbage in it. You know something I forgot? I forgot the ginger in my sauce. A little bit of ground ginger. If I had fresh, I would use fresh. Or the paste. I do like ground ginger though. All right, let's see where our dumplings are. Voila! Now, let's move them over here. Yeah, everybody's one big family. We're like family, you and me. All right, I'd say we're pretty dang close here. Now comes the sauce. The sauce. All right, now this is what I like to do. Even anytime I do like stir fry and fried rice, make it a little well. And the idea here is you want the sauce to kind of start reducing a little bit, and that enhances your flavor. Okay, before you start mixing it up. There's a term for that. I don't know what it is. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Dang it, boys. Dang it, girls. That looks good. Looks so good. All right, that's pretty much done. Good night. Look at this goodness right here, y'all. Let's get it off. Let's get us a plate. Good. Boy, I can't wait to eat. Boy, this is my kind of cooking right here. Boom, shakalaka. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Put some of those dumplings on top. Let's head over to the cutting board. Well, well, well. Would you look at that? Huh? Come on now, look at that. We got to spruce this up a little bit. The old Anderson, I see him over there. I see you, Jeff. He's jelly. He ain't getting none of this. Crack slaw with dumplings. Y'all know what I'm saying? I see you, Jeff. Y'all ready for this? Actually, not yet. Not yet. This is what we're going to do. Remember that yum yum sauce? Put it in a little squirty. Hold on a minute. Hold on. This thing needs to be cut. Yeah, come on. There we go. All right, squirty. There we go. A little squirty. Sriracha. Let's go the other way. Oh yeah. Hussey got it going on. A little greenery. Listen, you got to get your greenery if you got company coming, all right? Next, little sesame seeds. You want to toast them? Go right ahead. That's it, tater chips. Right there. Come on with it. Let's give these groceries a try. Oh, I can't wait. Cheers, y'all. Now that, man, those dumplings are good. I want to try some honestly, I don't even know if you need the rice. Look, the rice is there, and it's good. This is fantastic. I would do this again. That's good. Easy meal. Easy. You don't even have to make this stuff if you don't want it. Buy it. They make good yum yum sauce. It's right in the dang aisle of the grocery store. A couple bags of the cabbage mix. The dumplings are frozen. Slap it in there. Rice, optional. Make the sauce. You can just do just a few things of sauce. You can just do bachans. I mean, this can get really easy. Gosh darn, this is good. Y'all, give us a try. I think you'll like it. Whoever you feed it to, they'll like it too. That's all I got for you. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, stick around. There might be some bloopers. Scan that QR code if you're on TV. Subscribe to the channel. I'd love to see more of you. Guys, you know old Hussey loves a Jeez Louise. Guys, you know Hussey loves a good crack slaw. Well, today, my friends, we're going to do a crack. Let me take a picture. Yeah. Don't you? Don't you wish your griddle was hot like me? Don't you? Don't you?